Here I'm going to show you how to get the answers for chapter 3.3 problems number 26. So you'll go to chapter 3.3, you'll find number 26. So here's 26, and notice that you're not given any numbers here. So in order to get the answer for number 26, which is going to be this one here, I'm going to do number 25, just to let you see. So 25 is a similar question, and so here also you're not given any numbers, but you're given three vectors, and you want to find the x and y components for each vector. So the way to do that is just from the zoom in here, and you just, for example, for vector b, let me just get a small one. So for vector a here, we want the x and component for vector a. So starting from the tail of the arrow in the horizontal direction, you count how many boxes there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 4 boxes to the left. And to get the y component of this same vector, you just have to count the number of boxes from the tail to the top. So it's going to be 1, 2. So vector A has a component that is 4 units to the left in the x component and 2 units upwards in the for the y component. And you have to do that for each of the 3 vectors here. So similarly for number 26, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to get the x and y components for each vector by counting the number of boxes from the tail, or the number of tick marks from the tail of a vector to the tip of the vector. So this is how you're going to get your answers for number 26.